Hi, I'm an old guy and I do maths. I think this is an interesting problem. It was given to a senior high school student of mine who is just starting out with quadratics. Yeah, just starting out. So it's an interesting problem for someone like him. Okay, what have we got? Well, we have a quadratic, x squared plus bx plus c. We are told, and this is what this means, that if we put 1 into this quadratic, we substitute x with 1, we get the number 2. So if we put 1 into this whole thing is equal to 2. If we put negative 1 into it, it is equal to 6. And this is the key to getting a solution for this. What do b and c equal? So where do I start? What do I do first? Well, I substitute. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take 1 and I'm going to pop it into this. So that is 1 squared. X is 1, so I square 1, plus b times 1, so that is 1b. I'll put that in, I'll remove it later, we'll just make it b, plus c is equal to 2. So if I tidy this up, 1 squared is 1, plus b plus c is equal to 2. Now, this problem is going to be solved using simultaneous equations and by the process of elimination. We're not going to use substitution, which might be a temptation here, but the aim of this was to solve this by elimination, so that's what we're going to do. Right, so tidy this up and we get b plus c is equal to 1. Two minus 1 is 1, b plus c equals 1. Right, that's our first equation out of the way. Now, we're going to substitute this into the quadratic here. Now notice I put brackets around this. It is negative 1 squared. That is negative 1 times negative 1. That's important. Minus 1b plus c equals 6. Okay, so this is 1. 2 negatives make a positive. This is negative b. This is c, as it always was, and this is 6. Now, tidying this up, I get negative b plus c is equal to 5. So you can see that I have two expressions here that are ripe for solving by elimination. So let's bring this over here. Negative b plus c equals 5. And we're going to add these two expressions. Now, b plus negative b leaves us with nothing. C plus c is 2c. 1 plus 5 is 6. So c is equal to 3. From here, we can figure out what b is. And that's pretty straightforward. We'll just sub in one of these numbers. We'll use this one because positives are easier. 1 squared plus b, 1 times b, plus c, which is 3, is equal to 2. Right. So b is equal to 2 minus 4. B is equal to negative 2. Now let me run through that again. I did all the talking, but this wasn't on screen. So I've subbed in the value 1 into our equation, and having found what c equals, I put that into the mix. So I know that 1 plus b plus 3 equals 2. Therefore b is equal to 2 minus 4. We move these 2 to that side of the equation. They become negative. B is equal to negative 2. Now, let's just check this. And we're going to check it with this, this one here. This is the trickier of the two. So, negative 1 squared minus 2x, which is 2 times 1, 2 times negative 1, I beg your pardon. So we're again just reminding you, taking this negative 1, popping it into this with the known values of b and c, plus 3. Now according to this it should equal 6. So let's just see what we get. For this we get 1, we get 2, and we get 3, and we add those together, and that gives us 6. That is this problem solved, and that is how it is done. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you again next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this was useful. Bye.